Hello everyone, welcome to iqCode. Today we're going to continue on how to make a clicker using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Today I'm going to do the actual recommendation of the Ultimate Miner by adding like levels of upgrades. Like whenever you get a certain amount of clicks, you get an amount, like you unlock an upgrade. I will show you an example on the screen right now. That will be the final product, and let's get to it. So first, what we're going to do is go to clicker.js. I hope you watched the last episodes. Going to, so you see all these like document.getElement by ID, document.getElement by ID. So like that's like takes so long, and so we're just going to make that shorter. For that, I'm going to write let let's start with count equals document get element by ID and count. Okay, if you don't know what that means, that basically means like how we save numbers. What we're basically are doing is we're basically saving code rather than numbers or text. So we're just going to do that to the other things like clicks and CPS. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace all the document.get elements by ID. Like all we're going to do is erase this whole thing. Just keep this CPS thing maybe. Yeah, just like you get this and you just write CPS because we saved the code in the CPS, and this is a count. So we're going to save a count. Let's just repeat this. I accidentally added something called clicks here, which we were not going to use. So only these two. So yeah. Now I also want to fix an error from the last video, which is this. It wasn't working and it was like repeatedly not rounding the numbers, but we're going to solve that. First of all, we're just going to delete this whole thing, and what we're going to do is CPS price. By the way, this is the line for changing the price a little bit, adding a little, equals CPS price times 1.12, 1.2. Yeah, so you might be asking like, how is that going to round? What we're going to do is add a new line and we're going to make it math.round. It will be CPS price. So after we calculate, then we're rounding, and that will be a better solution. So yeah, we got that, and also local storage. No, that's good. That's good. Okay, let's start with the main video. What I'm going to do is, in here, I submitted the line, I guess. I'm just going to make a new button, and button, the slash button. We're going to add a ID. This is going to be the unlocked upgrade. CU. I will make it a click upgrade, so you click more. Like it used to be one click every time you click the click button, but now it's like you can upgrade to 2 or 3. And class is click, class is CU. Okay, there, yeah, that's it. CU, click upgrade. In clicker.js, I'm going to make a new line of code. To save it, let CU be document get element by ID CU. Now we're going to make a new local storage. If local storage dot cu, oh not that, dot cu is greater than or equal to 2, because we're going to start off with 1, then it will going to it is going to make cu to number, and from a number it'll just be local storage.cu. Also, we need to add number to all these, which I apparently added. In your code, if you follow the last videos, you are supposed to add numbers in the local storage.cps, like right here. And because I guess I added this somehow, I don't know how. Oh yeah, I was testing the code to make this video. So for that, now what we're going to do is we added that. Now we're going to add the cu price. I guess we have to add the else too. Else cu equals 1, and if local storage dot cu price is greater than or equal to 100, then cu price is number local storage dot cu price. Okay, and else cu price equals to nothing, which is 0. Also, this time, since it is an unlocked thing, we're just going to make this cu, the saved code, dot inner HTML is going to be basically the same thing as the CPS, cu, c, and the cu price. Cu price. Yeah, we got the data for it. Now we're going to add the functions. First, you see this one, like CPS equals CPS plus 1. I mean clicks equals clicks plus 1. You change this to cu, and boom, that's it. Also, I just realized, well, never mind, this is correct. Okay, now we're going to add a set interval, which is a timing thing. Well, interval function opening, and not clicks. Wait, I have my notes open on the another page, so I'm looking at that every once in a while. Okay, is that it? Yes. If clicks are greater than or equal to 100, then another opening and another if cu price is less than 100, another opening, but no more if. We're just going to set the cu price to 100, and under this we're going to add cu price cu dot inner HTML is going to be the regular cu c plus cu price. Now we're going to add another thing on the bottom. I mean, not now, later. We're going to add it later. And now we're going to add a bind function. So for that, we're going back to the HTML page and add the onClick cu by in parentheses. Now we got that. we're going to add a new function. What I'm basically going to do is copy this whole thing for the CPS fly, and we're basically going to change it to cu by cu my, and we're basically going to change all these to cu. And we're basically done. We're just going to change this, and this should be able to work. One final thing I'm adding is, in case the number that of how much we clicked randomly becomes a different number, like a decimal number, we just wanted to round, because I have ran into that error one time in my experiment. So I'm just going to add that by adding a set interval and opening function, another opening, and we're just going to put clicks are equal to clicks plus, I mean not clicks, math.round clicks, and that's it. Also, by the way, like right here between these, just add a 1 with a decimal. Same with here, I guess I forgot to add it here. And that basically should be it. Now let's test it out. Open with live server. Okay, so we got 6 clicks apparently. It does say CU here. What we're basically going to do is, in here, just change this to nothing, make it empty. Okay. Yeah, it's now empty right here. You basically don't see it. Now we're going to grind to a 100 because I made it so it unlocks at 100. So grinding time. Okay, now we're about to be 100, and as you can see, as soon as we reach 100, this unlocked. And whenever we click this, currently if you click it, it will increase by 1, but whenever we buy this, it should be 2. Our money went down. Now it's increasing by 2, as you can see on the screen. And that is it for this video today. Thank you everybody for watching to the end. Do not forget to subscribe and like. My goal for this YouTube channel is 100 subscribers, and I hope we reach it. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe and comment on this video. Apparently, according to the YouTubers I watch, it helps the YouTube algorithm. So why not use that as a copyright? Okay, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.